What are the 2 steps to avoid the expense and headache of probate court? If you pass away without a plan, or even if you just have a will, your family is going to go through the probate process. Yes, a will goes through the probate court. Now, as we may know, probate can take a significant period of time, many months, maybe over a year. It could cost, upwards of 5% of your estate's worth, fees, court costs, appraisals, etc. But your family can avoid the stress and expense completely by planning ahead. And here's how. I'm Valerie Zammitti of Zammitti Law. We're an estate planning practice in New York and New Jersey, and we provide peace of mind to families through our high client value services. If you're in need of assistance for either setting up your estate plan or the administration following the loss of a loved one, you can reach out to us for a free consult at yourplanningattorney.com. And again, we're always here educating, so ask questions and don't forget to share so together we can help some folks along the way. Step number 1 to avoiding probate: create a revocable living trust. It is the absolute best way to avoid probate entirely. Everything placed in your trust bypasses the court. Okay, your trustee can distribute your assets privately and pretty quickly right after your passing. You keep full control of your assets while you're alive and can make any changes at any time. So it's pretty flexible. And of course, when you pass, the family is avoiding the delays through the court, the expense through the court, and the public scrutiny of your plan. Trust keeps it private. Second step, you still need a last will and testament, but just serving as a backup to your trust. It's called a pour-over will. Essentially, it says if somewhere along the line you didn't do your homework and you forgot to put an account or an asset into the trust, right? This example I always use is you're 99 years old, you opened a bank account, you forgot to put in the name of the trust. Well, that piece, hopefully pretty small, does go through a probate process, hopefully a small probate, because usually that process is faster through the court and easier, and it will pour right back into your trust, hence the title pour-over will. It is just a backup, and it makes it much easier to maintain and control all of your wishes, as it will go through the trust. So the combination of your living trust, and your pour-over will gives you complete coverage and peace of mind, right? Once you have those 2 pieces, you discard any old estate plan, but please make sure you're working with counsel to help you do that before you discard it. That's it. You're done. 2 steps. The 2-step. With your revocable trust, your pour-over will, you have done everything you need to avoid probate. Of course, making sure that it's funded properly. There is some homework with the trust. So you have to put in a little legwork, guys. It stays private, it's efficient, and protects the family from unnecessary steps with costs and delays through the probate. And that's it. I think I covered it all. I don't know what else to say. We can help. So we do help families build trust that save money, protect privacy, and of course make the transitions just so much easier and smoother and seamless. So if you need us, reach out. yourplanningattorney.com. We'd be happy to help. And we hope you've learned something new here today. Don't forget to share, and take care. Bye-bye.